Hey guys, and welcome to the last lecture in this series. As we discussed before, the grant fund is useful for the early stage startup when there is no actual value. In this lecture, we talk about when to stop using the grant fund. The first scenario is when we get to the point of diminishing return, or basically when the system gets saturated. What does that mean? For the first few months, a few hours of time commitment is big with respect to the total contributions of all grants. And there is a good motivation to work hard. After, let's say, 6 months, a huge theoretical value has been generated and a few hours of work leads to almost nothing. So at this point, the grants are not motivated by the incremental pie anymore and a new incentive is needed. The second scenario is when the company finds a predictable business model. This means the company understands its revenue stream and cost structure. The last scenario is when the startup receives significant investment from angel investors or VCs. This means the gap between ideation and investment is over and it's time to call your lawyer and accountant to legalize everything by converting grant fund to equity or option. Okay, we are done with this series. Thank you so much for watching these videos. If you're interested to see more, please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. Thanks again and see you soon.